Hey everyone, today I will show you how to reset content suggestions on Instagram. And here's how it is done. Clear your search history. Open the Instagram app and go to your profile. Tap the three horizontal lines menu in the top right corner. Tap Settings and Privacy, Security and Account Data. Clear search history. Tap Clear All to delete all your entire search history. Adjust Explore page recommendations. Go to the Explore page. Tap the magnifying glass icon. Tap a suggested post you don't like. Tap the three dots menu in the bottom right corner of the post. Select Not Interested. This will help Instagram refine its suggestions based on your preferences. Manage your interest. When you see content that doesn't interest you, repeat the Not Interested action as often as necessary. This will gradually reset and personalize your recommendations. Unfollow and mute unwanted accounts. Review the accounts you follow and unfollow or mute accounts that no longer interest you. Instagram will use the accounts you follow to determine content suggestions. Interacting with preferred content. Start engaging with content you want to see more of by liking, commenting, and following related accounts. This will help Instagram understand your preferences better. These steps should help you gradually reset and improve your content suggestions on Instagram. And that is everything you need to know about how to reset content suggestions on Instagram. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.